Hello, my name is Mr. Moore. I will be your instructor for Beginning Algebra Online. This is going to be a great semester. I'm super excited about it. Remember, if you need anything, please email me and I'll respond as soon as possible. Now, with this being an asynchronous online course, every single thing that you need can be found online using your computer or even your phone. Let's look and see everything that we need. We can access our entire course using our tools. Let's see. So everything that we need in this course is going to be located in Canvas, and all of our homework, quizzes, and exams are going to be through MyLabMath. Now this is Canvas. I encourage you to start here. Yeah, if you look over here, if you press home, you'll be on home page, but click modules. Our entire course lives in modules. When you first log into this course, press start here, and it'll take you through a lot of information that'll help you succeed in this course. A welcome message, you'll get a chance to learn about me, the course syllabus. Notice that all of these modules are labeled by week. So this is everything that you'll do in week 1. This is everything that you should complete by week 2. This is everything that you should complete in week 3, and so forth. For week 1, just start at the beginning. We have a chapter 1 overview, which will just tell you everything that we're going to go over in chapter 1, not necessarily that week. For the week 1 overview, it's a little bit more specific. Yep, everything that we'll do in week 1, make sure you read the syllabus, which is pretty much the same thing as pressing start here in modules and completing each module. Make sure that you can access your homework, quiz, and exams. We'll talk about it in a few seconds. We have to take all of our exams using Lockdown Browser and Monitor, and you'll get well acclimated with those. And then, of course, go ahead and start working on sections 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. All of your homework sections are due on Thursdays. And we got some other things. All right. So let's week 1 overview. Let's see here. Our entire course lies within Canvas. So for example, section 1.1, if you click here, this will take you to the book chapters. Yeah, if you're the type of person that like to read books, you can read it in our online text. 1.1 videos. Now you must at least click the videos in order to access the homework. So for example, section 1.1 homework videos is here. All right, it's not the 20th yet, but once you click on those videos, then your 1.1 homework will become unlocked and you can start working on it. Then do 1.2 and 1.3. Notice January 22nd, all of those homework assignments are due on Thursday. On Friday, now this is required. As you work through that homework, make sure that you're taking good notes in your scratch work. So scratch work is a large part of your grade in addition to the homework. So all of your homework, section 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3, is due on Thursday. The scratch work, yeah, as you do your homework, you write down scratch work, right? Your handwritten scratch work must be handwritten. So every Friday, you can do it earlier if you want, but by Friday, you should upload your scratch work, and this is mandatory. Yeah, you click here, and there'll be a place for you to turn in or upload your scratch work for the homework for the week by Friday. Also on Friday, you should submit the SRL or self-regulated learning reflection. Yeah, so every Friday, by Friday, you should submit the reflection in Canvas. And it'll just ask you a few questions to help you prepare for the next week and reflect on the week that you just had. This is due by Friday. And on Sundays, will be all quizzes and exams. So if you have a quiz, it'll be due for Sunday. If you have an exam, it's due Sunday. Your first week, remember all of our exams are recorded using MyLabMath. Your first week, you'll get acclimated. You'll take a practice exam using Lockdown Browser, and I will review it just to make sure that there are no problems on your exams going forward. If you click on here, it tells you all of the directions you need to complete your Lockdown Browser and accordingly. Okay, those are the modules. And remember, our entire course lives in modules, so you can get to your homework from here, or you could go straight to Access Pearson. All right, we're gonna cheat a little bit because the course hadn't quite started. I can take you on the instructor side and show you what it looks like. Yeah, if you go straight to MyLabMath, well, I can cheat a little bit, right? It'll populate here. I can show you what your assignments look like. Some of those for you. Sorry about that. This homework. So, for example, this is your homework. This is what's due on every Thursday. You get to this by clicking on it in Canvas. It'll bring you straight to it. But you click on your homework, work through the problems. Make sure you write down your scratch work. Now, this is later in semester. Don't let this problem scare you. But later on, write down your scratch work and make sure you submit that scratch work by Friday, and you will have full credits. Okay. That's all. If it's confusing, just send me an email after you work through this. In the meantime, good luck. I'm rooting for you. Send me a quick email. Say, hey, Mr. Moore, I'm going to do well in this class.